Speaker sir, regarding this, I would like to request the Honorable CM to see to it that regular checks, regular and surprise checks are held every now and then to see that the liquor licenses are not subleased. आमी कितलेच पळयतात हे आमचे लिकर लायसन्स आमच्या गोंयकारांक म्हणून दिल्ले बिझनेस करपाक, बट दे सबलेट and there is somebody, some non-Goan who is carrying on the business there. So regular and surprise checks have to be done every now and then. आमी एक आर्टिकल वाचलेले इकॉनॉमिक्स टाइम की जशे स्विगी आणि झोमॅटो आमच्या घरांनी सप्लाय करता तोहेच लिकरूय सप्लाय जावपाची अपेक्षा. I mean, there is a possibility that liquor also will be supplied. It's in the economic times. I'm sure our Honorable CM will see to it that this supply of liquor through Swiggy and Zomato will not be allowed in a state like Goa. Regarding price reduction of imported and premium liquor brands to premiumize tourist experience. आताच बाब आमचो निलेशान उलयल्ले हा आमचो ऑनरेबल MLA की this premium brands, we are a tourist state, and since we are tourist states, like we find these, I will not mention the brands, but the premium brands are found at a cheaper rate in other states. Please see to it that the taxes on premium liquor is brought down in Goa also. Honorable CM, please see to giving of incentives to Feni manufacturers and bottlers and promote Feni at international markets and make a suitable policy along with tourism. And in order to attract big company manufacturers to set up plants, you have to offer incentives and make Goa manufacturing hub, which will also give employment to locals. आणि हे जे beer breweries or any other liquor breweries हांगा गोंया येवन हांगा मॅन्युफॅक्चर करपाचे इन्सेंटिव्स तूं कितलो दितलो तितलेच आमच्या गोंयकारांकूय एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळटलें. बिसायड्स this liquor, this beers, everything will be available for lesser rate in Goa. Regarding demand number 14, Goa Sadan, the Honorable CM has mentioned that he has reserved 42.96 crores for the renovation of Goa Bhavan in Mumbai and Goa Sadan and Goa Nivas in Delhi. I would like to request him to expedite the work आणि बो करून गोवा भवन मुंबई हा ते वेग्याच्या वेग्यान चालू करचे. आमचे लोकल लोक मुंबई खूब वयतात फॉर स्पेशली फॉर मेडिकल पर्पसीस. सो आनी हॉटेलांनी रावल्यार कितले म्हारग पडटा. सो आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट द ऑनरेबल CM टू सी स्पेशली दॅट गोवा भवन इन मुंबई गेट्स रेडी फॉर द यूज. Regarding demand number 56, information and publicity. Regarding information and publicity, Honorable CM has mentioned that the government is in process of implementing the Goa Journalist Protection Act. This is for all my press people. I don't know how many governments before have done this, but our Honorable CM has done this for you all, implementing the Goa Journalist Protection Act for the protection of journalists who are working to strengthen the fourth pillar of democracy. The bill has already been forwarded to the President of India for his assent. So I think you all have to thank our Honorable CM for this bill. And also this year, along with IFI, we are also going to be executing some waves. Let me elaborate on that. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India will organize the first edition of World Audio, Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES, from November 20th to 24th in this year, 2024. And this landmark event will be hosted in Goa, in collaboration with the Government of Goa and Entertainment Society of Goa. The ESG will be the nodal agency to execute the same. To cut it short, फकत एक सांगूंक सोदता की along with IFI, this year IFI every year is held between 20th of November till 28th of November. So 20th of November to 24th of November, this WAVES also, World Audio, Visual and Entertainment Summit will be held. And the best of this, part of this is the best of entertainment, everybody from entertainment and media industry will be here in Goa. And आमच्या Honorable Prime Minister चड करून देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. He has seen the capability of our Honorable CM. We have been hosting IFI from the year 2004. And 20 वर्सां जाली after completion of 20 long years of hosting this IFI. He has given this holding of these waves will be another feather in the cap of our Honorable CM. And I'm sure the entire team of ESG will work hard to see that it becomes a great success under the able leadership of our CM. Honorable CM, please also note that Goa State Film Festival was last held in 2018. So, या वर्साक पुणून आमी हे गोवा स्टेट फिल्म फेस्टिवल करचे म्हणून तुमचे कडेन मागणी. इवन फिल्म फायनान्स स्कीम also was given last in 2018-19 year. म्हळ्यार कितली वर्सां जाली ती फिल्म फायनान्स स्किमूय दिवंक ना तेंचे. सो तेय मातशें करचें म्हणून मागणें. रिगार्डिंग आमी पळोवंक जाता की आमचे भुरगे यूथ लोकल्स सो मेनी ऑफ देम आर मेकिंग दीस शॉर्ट फिल्म्स. आमी मोबायलार पळयल्यार शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, शॉर्ट स्टोरीज ऑर रिल्स विथ सोशल मेसेज ऑर म्युजिकल विडियोज हांकां एक धाकटुलें कॉम्पिटिशन आमच्या ESG बिल्डिंगान आमी आमच्या ऑडिटोरियमान दवरचें म्हणून आमचें मागणी. सो दॅट दे गेट ऑल्सो बूस्ट एंड दॅट वील ऑल्सो फॉस्टर द लोकल टॅलंट. Regarding skill development and entrepreneurship, sir, हांव फकत एक उलोवंक सोदता की अंडर एप्रेंटिसशीप ती सॅलरी जी आसता ती खूब कमी आसता. ती मातशें वाडोवन घेवची. आय नो इट इज अ सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट स्कीम, बट ती वाडोवची. आनी गेल्या त्या वर्सा 7,000 भुरग्यांक आमचे जॉब दिल्ले अंडर दीस स्कीम. आय रियली कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट आर CM, बट ते 7,000 आहा ते ह्या वर्साक आमी 10,000 करचे म्हणून मागणी. आनी आमची भुरगीं जी लागलेली ती कामाक अंडर दीस स्कीम, एप्रेंटिसशीप स्कीम, दे आर ऑल एंक्शस लायक मॅडम हेय वर्सा आमकां मेवतले, हेय वर्सा मेवतले, रिन्यू जातलो. सो प्लीज इफ यू कॅन इलॅबरेट ऑन दॅट. आनी रिगार्डींग दीस विश्वकर्मा स्कीम, सर, ते कितें जाता आमी आमच्या शिवोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जाल्यार आमच्या शिवोली मार्ना पंचायत वी had the highest number of registrations in full of Goa and we got that award also. पूण कितें जाता हे ट्रेनिंगाक तांकां बिचोली आनी हूंय आपयतात. सो आमकां म्हापसा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर, बार्देजाक म्हापसा म्हणून ट्रेनिंग सेंटर ना जाल्यार बेस्ट वूड बी टू ट्रेन देम स्पेशली ऑल आर लेडीज टू ट्रेन देम in the respective panchayats. Thank you, Speaker, sir.